Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. Thai 14th, 28th January 2026, Wednesday. Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Hemant Ritu, Thai Masam, that is Magara Masam. Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 2:39 p.m. Dashami, then Ekadashi. Today, Wednesday, that is Saumya Vasaram. Nakshatram up to 7:46 a.m. Kritika Nakshatram, then Rohini Nakshatram. Today is Rahugalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guligalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Sunrise 6:40 a.m. Chandrashtamam for Tula Rashi. Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Sradhatadi Tudiya Dashami. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Kuberlakshmi Sambhurna Anigraha Prasada Siddhirastu.